Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between Xiaomi's Mi A2 and the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Mi A2 sports a Snapdragon 660 processor with Adreno 512 GPU, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on raw performance, Mi A2 is definitely way better than Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's see how they perform. Now for the regular speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it exactly is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both the phones, so I'll call it as a tie. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Now let's see how they perform. Memory management is good on both phones, but it was slightly better on Mi A2. So we can say Mi A2 is the winner, but I'll call it as a tie. Now for the last speed test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. While opening games, there wasn't a huge difference between both phones, but Mi A2 was slightly faster. So guys, on the whole, there isn't a huge difference between both phones. With that said, Mi A2 is definitely performing slightly better than Redmi Note 5 Pro. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.